Hello friends, welcome to Study IQ. I am your friend Rahul Saigaonkar and today we are going to have a very interesting discussion regarding United States and China. You can see the news here from Nikkei Asia that Joe Biden, the United States president, has recently revoked the ban which was imposed by former US President Donald Trump on WeChat and TikTok. Including WeChat and TikTok, many other apps are now allowed in United States. But he has also ordered a security review of all these apps, especially with respect to the data security. Now, in this particular video, we will understand this particular decision by Joe Biden and we'll try to answer a question. It's going to be an analytical decision where we are going to ask, is Biden administration going for a rapprochement with China or not? In fact, it is going to be a very important discussion which will have repercussions on India because we'll end our discussion with a very, very important question from Indian perspective. Now, for those who are preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination, especially for those who are appearing for interview, there is a very important pointer or a question for you here on which you have to frame your opinion. Such questions do appear in the interviews. Let's begin our discussion. And I am your friend Rahul Saigaonkar. If you want to follow, you can follow me on these IDs. And if you're preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination, just go to the description of this particular video. You'll find a lot of details about our courses on Study IQ and try to avail those. Right. Let's first begin our discussion with a question. As I told you, in interview, varied questions do come up and mostly from current affairs where an opinion might be asked from you. Now, a question might come up where, in light of the Sino-Indian conflict that is going on, India-China conflict, do you think that the ban on apps like TikTok, PUBG, whatever ban we have put, is it an effective step to counter the Chinese? Now, why we are discussing this? Because the US administration also banned many apps. We also banned more than 100 Chinese apps have been banned from India. So question is that, do you think it is an effective strategy to counter the Chinese? Now, such questions might lead to some counter questions. Now, you may say that, yes, sir, it is an effective step, or no, sir, it is not an effective step. There might be counter questions also. So be ready for those. Now, in terms of this Chinese strategy, do prepare an answer where you give a short-term solution as of now, probably one year or 2 years down the line, and try to also come up with a long-term solution, because whatever answer you give, counter questions are there to come for sure, right? Say, if you say not banning is right, a counter question will come, and a question might come, then what would be your strategy? Say, if you are posted in the Ministry of Defense as a secretary, what would be your security policy with respect to China? So try to work on that also. Such questions might appear, right? With that, let's head back to the news and talk about what has happened in United States. As you can see, the Donald Trump era ban on TikTok has been dropped by Joe Biden. Now, Joe Biden has signed a series of executive orders where Trump administration had sought to ban those apps. So let's first talk about the background. Now, we all know that during the Trump era, since July 2018, Donald Trump had been actually implementing the threats that he had been issuing towards the Chinese with respect to the trade war. Now, since July 2018, continuously there was a trade tussle between China and USA. And after 2018, there was a tit for tat in terms of tariff. There was a tariff war. There was a back and forth negotiation between both the countries. If you look at the trade war, United States has slapped 550 billion worth Chinese goods with huge tariffs, and in return China has slapped tariffs on about 185 billion products from United States of America. So a trade war was going on, and amidst this trade war, in September 2020, the Trump administration, it decided to take a very drastic step where they banned TikTok and WeChat and a slew of other apps from Chinese developers, citing security reasons, obviously, right? Now, in fact, Trump administration went a step ahead and they said that the TikTok, which was owned by a company or a firm which was based in US, ByteDance, it told for insolvency. Basically, Walmart and Microsoft were looking to take over the application's entire ownership from ByteDance. Although there is a question mark now on this also. Now, in all these things, what has happened right now? Joe Biden has signed new executive orders where he revokes the ban on important apps like WeChat, TikTok, and 8 other Chinese communication apps. So they will be available now in United States. Now, this is basic news that is going on right now. Let's try to analyze with a question. The big question right now in front of us is that is Joe Biden's administration trying for a rapprochement with China? Now, the answer for this would be too soon. This is just one step where they have taken, where the ban on some Chinese apps has been revoked. This does not mean that United States is looking for a better or a closer engagement with China. If you look at Joe Biden's approach, he has always followed cautious approach. In fact, this is a news from December, January, just before his presidency began. Biden had clearly said that he won't act on immediate rollback of Trump tariffs on China. So as of today, even till today, United States is imposing very high tariffs on the Chinese products. So trade war is still going on. That means Trump's policies of higher tariffs are continued by Joe Biden. So this step, is it an indication or is it a signal towards China that we will be rather soft, especially the revoking of the app ban? Is it a signal towards Chinese? Perhaps not, because if we look at the executive order, yes, it revokes the ban, but it comes with another rider. The executive order comes with a rider where the Department of Commerce in the United States it has now been directed to go for a rigorous evidence-based analysis to evaluate on a continuing basis any foreign software. Now, please remember, any foreign software. Now, this includes every software from other countries which is now being used in United States, including China. So there will be more and more scrutiny of all the apps in United States now. Although, if you look at US administration's statement, they have mentioned certain countries, including People's Republic of China, which was an indication towards them that they are seeking to leverage from the digital data of the Americans. And that is not going to happen now. Yes, the status as of now is that the apps are now allowed in United States, but there will be a closer scrutiny. Now, is it a signal? Again, perhaps not. Why? Now, if we look at former President Donald Trump's decision, he decided to ban TikTok and WeChat, the Chinese apps from United States, mainly on the allegation that they were being used as espionage tools by Beijing to spy on the United States people. Now, if you look at the sheer numbers, see, WeChat has about 19 million users in America. TikTok, it had about 100 million users in United States when it was banned. All right. So a huge number of citizens from United States, they use these apps. Now, after the ban, a court case was also pending. It was quite obvious that the ban would be questioned. So since December 2020, a court case is also pending over the entire TikTok issue. And recently, the Department of Commerce, during the trial of this particular case, had clearly indicated that they are reviewing Trump's claim that TikTok is a threat to national security. So what has happened right now is perhaps that the Biden administration does not want to get itself entangled in the legal issue. So what stance they are going for? The Department of Commerce in a Biden administration is now going to review the entire setup. Trump said it was because of security issue. They want to back that particular allegation with data. And that is why, as of now, the order by Joe Biden, it says that I am allowing WeChat and I am allowing TikTok, but they will be subject to scrutiny. And if any violation is seen, they can be banned again. So an executive order can be passed again and they can be banned anytime soon. But please remember, an update to the review was due in June 2021. So the decision of this executive order, it might be connected with the legal issue that was going on with the TikTok case. So to answer that question, is Biden signaling towards China for a rapprochement? Too soon to answer that, perhaps not. It's just the normal course of Biden administration. I told you, Biden administration's China policy has been rather a continuity of Trump's foreign policy. Trump, yes, he was confrontational with China, but the advantage, or it is being leveraged right now by Joe Biden, and it is going to continue perhaps in future also. We'll keep an eye on this particular development, but we'll end the discussion with a very important question. Today, United States has revoked the ban on these apps, especially TikTok and WeChat. The big question, the million-dollar question for all of us is, will India follow the suit and revoke Chinese app ban in the coming future? Do let me know, should India revoke the ban on these apps? With that, let me end my discussion. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.